Hi, my name is Jacopo and I'm one of the founders of Dokin. If just like me, you're struggling to build insightful reports, manipulating data that is spread across different software, I have some good news for you. With Dokin, you can pull live data from HubSpot and Airtable into your Google Workspace in a matter of seconds. I'm going to show you how. So Dokin comes in the form of an extension for your Google Sheets, your Google Slides, and your Google Docs. And it started here as a sidebar. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to pull live HubSpot data in a matter of seconds and how I can filter that data to make sure that I'm using the right report. So in this case, I'm going to click on import new data and select HubSpot as my source. I'm going to build an import from scratch and I'm going to select my contacts as the object that I'm interested in importing. I'm going to select the fields. I'm going to choose first, last name, email, the job title, the lead status, and also the country. There we go. And the next step is adding some filters. So here I'm going to filter, I'm going to choose lead status only equal to new. In this case, I want to make sure that I only pull my new leads and I only want leads that are outside of the United States. So I'm going to choose country not equal to USA. And that's it. I can give it a name. I can choose my auto refresh frequency. I'm going to keep it manual here and I'm going to click on import. And as you can see, it's done. I have all my leads imported into my Google Sheets in a matter of seconds, and they stay synced. So any change is easily reflected by a simple click. And what's better now is that I can export this data as ranges to slides and docs and build contracts, presentations, documents, or reports, anything that I want really, in a way that it stays synced across all my applications. So try Dokin today, get it on Google Workspace, and follow the link in the description to get started for free.